Hello everyone. So now we'll start solving questions of solid state chemistry from NMSP. Okay. Now let's start with question number 1. Which of the following statement is true for ionic solid? Now option A is ionic solids are soluble in polar solvent. Guys, actually there is one printing mistake in textbook. It is written as non-polar solvent. Okay. So remember this. They are not soluble. They are not soluble in non-polar solvent. Okay, they are not soluble in non-polar solvent and they are soluble in polar solvent. So अगर polar हो then it is correct, but since in textbook it is non-polar, so option A is wrong in textbook, but over here there is one printing mistake. Okay, now under the electrical field, cations and anions acquire translatory motion in opposite direction. Now this is applicable only in aqueous form. ठीक है, and they are telling us about solids. ठीक है, so they are asking us about solids, and over here this option B is correct only for aqueous form. Now structural units have strong electrostatic force of attraction. Yep, this is correct. Example is Na plus Cl minus. Cation and anion will have a strong electrostatic force of attraction. So option C is correct over here. And structural units have dipole-dipole interaction. No, they have electrostatic force of attraction. Okay. So option C is the correct answer. So answer over here is option C. Okay. Let's move towards second topic. So second question: which one is of pseudo solid? Okay, which one is a pseudo solid? ऐसा question रहना चाहिए था. Now pseudo solids is nothing but amorphous solids. Pseudo solids is nothing but amorphous solids. ठीक है? And which one is amorphous in nature? So glass is amorphous in nature. Now remember this. Even glass has a crystalline form. Crystalline glass is called as crystalline glass is called as, इसे हम लोग बोलते हैं क्वार्ट्ज. ठीक है, बट अगर सिर्फ ग्लास लिखा होगा देन इट इज सूडो सॉलिड और अमॉर्फस सॉलिड. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Solids which do not show the same physical properties in different directions are called as, so they are called as anisotropic solids. ठीक है, and solids which shows same physical properties are called as isotropics. ठीक है, isotropic same physical property, isotropic same physical property, anisotropic different physical properties. Question number 4. Graphite is an example of, so we all know graphite shows hexagonal layered structure and each carbon atom is covalently bonded. So it is an example of each carbon atom is covalently bonded. So it is an example of covalent solid. Amorphous solids are amorphous solids are so amorphous solids shows same physical properties in same direction. So they are isotropic in nature, and isotropic is present in two options. So either A option is correct or D option is correct. Now amorphous solids are also called as supercooled liquid because they have tendency to flow. ठीक है, supercooled liquid इसे हम लोग क्यों बोलते हैं? supercooled liquid हम लोग इसे क्यों बोलेंगे? We call them supercooled liquid because they have tendency to flow. Okay. Now next, crystals which are good conductor of electricity and heat are known as, guys ये हम लोग 10th स्टैंडर्ड से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं या फिर उससे पहले भी पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. They are metallic crystals. Okay. Next, the bond length and bond angle in molecule in solid state are calculated by, so इसका आंसर theoretical question है guys. इसका आंसर रहता है X-ray diffraction techniques. And which is the equation which we use to calculate this bond length? So equation is n lambda is equals to 2d sin theta. And इस equation का नाम क्या है guys? This equation is called as Bragg's equation. Okay, ये हम लोग X-ray diffraction studies में use करते हैं. Now the unit cell with parameter alpha is equals to beta alpha is equals to beta, which is equals to gamma, and which is equals to 90 degree, and A is equals to B. A is equals to B, but which is not equals to C. ये पैरामीटर कौन फॉलो करता है? तो इट इज फॉलोड बाय टेट्रागोनल. क्यूबिक में ऑल आर इक्वल, ट्राइक्लिनिक एवरीथिंग इज डिफरेंट, एंड इन हेक्सागोनल वन एंगल इज ऑफ 120 degrees. Okay, so tetragonal is the correct answer over here. Triclinic crystals has the following unit cell parameter. So it is the most asymmetrical cell, and option C will be the correct answer. A not equal to B, not equal to C, alpha not equal to beta, not equal to gamma, and not equal to 90 degree. So C is the correct answer over here. If all the three interfacial angles defining the unit cell are equal in magnitude, then the crystals cannot be. Okay, if all the three interfacial angles, guys, मतलब क्या? तो alpha should be equal to beta, which should be equal to gamma. If all the three interfacial angles defining the unit cell are equal in magnitude, then the cell cannot be hexagonal. Why? Because in case of hexagonal, alpha is equals to beta, but gamma is equals to, wait a minute. Now, in case of hexagonal unit cell, alpha is equals to beta, which is equals to 90 degrees, but gamma is equals to 120 degrees. Next, in hexagonal crystal, okay, in hexagonal crystal क्या होता है? तो A is equals to B, which is not equals to C. Alpha is equals to beta, which is equals to 90 degree, but gamma is not equals to 90 degree because it is equals to 120 degrees. ठीक है guys, तो देखो कौन सा ऑप्शन मैच हो रहा है यहाँ पे. अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू बीटा विच इज इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री, गामा इज इक्वल्स टू 120 डिग्री, ए इज इक्वल्स टू बी बट नॉट इक्वल्स टू सी. तो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर ओवर हियर. ऑर्थोरॉम्बिक क्रिस्टल हैज द फॉलोइंग यूनिट सेल पैरामीटर. ऑर्थोरॉम्बिक में क्या रहता है गाइस? ऑर्थोरॉम्बिक इज ए इज इक्वल्स टू बी विच इज इक्वल्स टू सी. अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू is not equals to beta, which is not equals to gamma, which is not equals to 90 degrees. तो ये देखो कहाँ पे है. फर्स्ट वन इज फॉर क्यूबिक. ये जो हम लोगों को पैरामीटर दिख रहा है, दिस इज फॉर क्यूबिक. ए इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू बी, ये तो नहीं हो सकता. ए इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू बी, नॉट इक्वल्स टू सी. अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू बीटा. ओके गाइज, आई थिंक देयर इज सम प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक. ठीक है, तो प्लीज मेक श्योर कि तुम लोग टेक्स्ट बुक में से इसका आंसर फाइंड आउट करो. दीज आर द पैरामीटर्स फॉर ऑर्थोरॉम्बिक क्रिस्टल. ठीक है, तो ऑर्थोरॉम्बिक के लिए ये पैरामीटर है और यहाँ पे कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. ठीक है गाइज, तो ये एक बार पैरामीटर तुम लोग क्रॉस चेक. ओके, सॉरी, आई वाज मेकिंग वन मिस्टेक. तो मैंने पैरामीटर्स गलत लिख दिए थे गलती से. तो a इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू b विच इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू c. अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू बीटा विच इज इक्वल्स टू गामा विच इज इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. ओके, तो दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. फर्स्ट वन इज फॉर क्यूबिक, एंड हम लोगों को ऑप्शन करेक्ट कहाँ पे दिख रहा है? तो ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट दिख रहा है. दिस इज करेक्ट फॉर ऑर्थोरॉम्बिक, एंड ऑप्शन बी is correct for tetragonal. Okay, next. Question number 13. Which of the following crystal system contains the maximum number of Bravais lattices? Okay, so correct answer over here is orthorhombic. Orthorhombic contains simple cubic, BCC, FCC, and end-centered. All four Bravais lattices are present, hence D option is correct. The most unsymmetrical and symmetrical systems are respectively. Most unsymmetrical हम लोगों को सबको पता है, triclinic is the most unsymmetrical and cubic will become most symmetrical. So option B is the correct answer. The crystal system of compound with unit cell parameter A is equals to B है, which is not equals to C, and all angles are same. Alpha is equals to beta, which is equals to gamma, which is equals to 90 डिग्री। तो ये किसके लिए फॉलो होता है? तो इट इज फॉलोड बाय टेट्रागोनल यूनिट सेल। ओके गाइस, so with this 15 question first 15 questions are finished. So till then, see you next time. Bye bye and God bless you guys.